the best time to visit? Well, it depends on what you're looking for. Spring and early summer from April to June and September to October offer pleasant weather and fewer crowds. Those are known as the shoulder season. If you love the heat and buzzing atmosphere, July and August are where you belong. But be prepared for higher prices and more tourists. Visas? Well, check your country's requirement, but most tourists can visit for up to 90 days. Budgeting is crucial. Greece can be affordable, budget-friendly, or it can be luxurious. Plan for around $50 to $150 a day, excluding your flights. And when it comes to booking flights and ferries, do it in advance. I can't say that enough, especially if you're traveling during peak season. For flights within the country of Greece, I recommend checking out Aegean Airlines. For ferries, I recommend Ferry Hopper. Ferryhopper.com. I also have a link below, and that is my affiliate link, so I do get a small commission if you book through that link. And don't forget travel insurance. Some people really always get it and some don't, but really research it and see if it's right for you. In a lot of ways, it could be very beneficial to you. All right, island hopping 101. Which islands to choose? Now let's talk about Greek islands, right? Greece has hundreds, literally hundreds of inhabited islands, each with its unique charm. For first-timers, I recommend a mix of popular and hidden gems. Crete, the largest island, is a world of its own with ancient Minoan sites, stunning beaches, and incredible food. Naxos, I've been there 2 times now, offers a more relaxed vibe, but has incredibly beautiful beaches and traditional villages and mountain villages. In those mountain villages, some people have never even left their village and gone down into the main town for it. It's incredible. And Milos, one of my absolute favorites. I did not spend enough time on Milos and I need to go back. Its otherworldly landscapes and secluded coves are simply breathtaking. So when planning your island hopping, remember that the ferry schedules, they can change and you need to stay flexible. When we were there, one day we happened to be in the middle of one of our islands. All the ferries were canceled because of the winds. There are Meltemi winds in Greece that can shut down the ferry system. So flexibility is your friend. Also, you could consider using a travel agent that specializes in Greece for the best ferry routes. There is a website, Matt Barrett's Travel Guide to Greece, which is excellent. He recommends Fantasy Travel to book through. I personally am more than willing to help you if you want to go to my website, KathrynBrooks.com. I have all kinds of ideas and a free downloadable travel planner on there. Exploring mainland Greece. You don't just stick to the islands. I mean it. Mainland Greece is a treasure trove of history and culture. Athens, of course, is a must-see. The Acropolis, the Parthenon, it's like stepping back in time. Delphi, the ancient oracle, and Meteora, with its breathtaking monasteries perched atop towering rocks, are also extremely incredible. And when I look at this, I cannot believe that they built this way back when. It blows my mind still. You know, those smart Greeks. They're very smart. They're very smart people. Don't forget places like the Peloponnese. The Peloponnese is where my mom's side of the family is from. They're from a town near Sparta and Githio. And my dad is also from mainland Greece, from a beautiful little town village that is called Nafpaktos. I will tell you, no matter where you go, you can't go wrong. Now, if you're going to stay on mainland Greece, renting a car is the best way to explore the mainland. And there are car companies that will bring you out of the main city of Athens to the car company where you can drive from there. Driving within the city of Athens is crazy. I look down at my phone the entire time when the cabs are driving us. But when we did go there and went out to where my father's from, and we drove to an island called Lefkada. It has a causeway, so you can drive to it. It's on the Ionian side of Greece. We went to a beautiful little town called Parga. We rented a car, and it was a wise thing to do. Except for we got a blowout on the freeway, the tollway. There's tolls. There's lots of tolls. It's not a freeway. It's a tollway. Make sure you have your coins, your euros in coins for the tolls. And again, mainland Greece is incredible food. The food is just as amazing there as on the islands. Now, let's talk about the heart of Greece. Its food, its culture. You have to try moussaka. My grandmother called it moussaka. So moussaka. Also, there's souvlaki and fresh seafood. Moussaka is an eggplant lasagna type dish. Souvlaki are kebabs and fresh seafood. My personal favorite is grilled octopus or grilled calamari when I'm in Greece. But all of the food is amazing. There's nothing like it. The Mediterranean cuisine in Greece is incredible. And don't forget the Greek pastries like baklava. There's also a Greek cheese pie that I love. It's called tareopita. It is also one of my favorites, and I can make it, and it's really good. It's phyllo dough with cheese layered inside. It's great. There's also spanakopita, which is the same kind of dish, but it has spinach in it, so it's a spinach pie. There's so many options. You'll find something you love. Now, I highly recommend you learn some Greek phrases. They appreciate the effort, even if you sound like an American with an American accent, because I do, but I still use the Greek phrases. I am not fluent in Greek. I understand more than I speak, but I do constantly use some Greek phrases while I'm there. Phrases like yasas for hello, kalimera for good morning, and efaristo for thank you. They will reply, halakala, and they are very grateful that you just try. I definitely appreciate the effort. The Greeks are incredibly hospitable. That's the famous philoxenia. I probably said that wrong too. Be respectful of their customs, especially in churches and monasteries. Always dress appropriately, and for safety, be aware of your surroundings, especially in crowded areas, because there are some yucky people out there all over the world and in Europe on the trains and the crowded places that will pickpocket you. So keep an eye on your belongings, and remember to carry cash. Some smaller places will try not to accept a credit card, even though by law they're supposed to, and I use cash for tipping. You don't have to tip big, but you should tip for good service. Just a small amount. Leave €5 on the table after a nice dinner. So there you have it, your perfect plan for a first-time trip to Greece. Whether you're drawn to the ancient history, the stunning islands, or the incredible food and culture, Greece has something for everyone. I hope this little guide has inspired you to start planning your own Greek adventure. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and insights from a true Greek at heart, Greek by blood. Efaristo. And please share your Greek travel plans in the comments below. Yasas. Stay safe and stay well. My name is Kathryn Brooks, Kathy Calliera, and I will be back soon. I appreciate you all. Take care. Bye-bye.
Welcome to Naxos. We're gonna do our best for our models, our best, our very best, for our Greek models. Yeah? Welcome to Naxos. We're gonna do our best for our models, our best, our very best, for our Greek models. Yeah?